first year BPED student, and today I will be discussing these three topics. Number 1, the definition and the importance of mathematics. Number 2, Fibonacci sequence. Number 3, perform operation on mathematical expression. But there's a two rule in mathematical expression. That is the BODMAS and PEMDAS. BODMAS stands for brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. While in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, let's begin for our first topic, the definition and the importance of mathematics.
Definition of mathematics. Mathematics is the study of numbers, patterns, shapes, and relationship. It helps us solve problems and understand the world around us. Importance of mathematics. Mathematics is important because it helps us think logically, solve everyday problems, and make better decisions. It is also used in science, technology, engineering, businesses, and many more other fields.
Now that we know the definition and the importance of mathematics, now let's move on to our next topic, which is the Fibonacci sequence.
But now, let me introduce to you who is Fibonacci. Fibonacci is an Italian mathematician who introduced the Fibonacci sequence. It is a pattern of the numbers where each number is the sum of the two numbers before it.
So, here is the Fibonacci
Formula.
sequence. So, F sub is the current Fibonacci number is equals to F sub minus 1 is the previous number, then plus F sub minus 2 is the number before the previous one. So the sequence here is 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. I will show you some other example for you to understand the Fibonacci sequence. So now we have a problem here. Find the seventh term of the sequence. So we have a missing number here. So now let's solve it. So F7, let's put here. Then our F sub 6 is the 8. And plus F sub 5 is the 5. So, there. So, 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. So, our F sub 7 is equals to 13. That's how you solve the missing number of the seventh term of the sequence. Yes, 13. And lastly, for our third topic, which is our last topic, about perform operation on the mathematical expression. Now,
Performing the operation of a mathematical expression means solving the expression step by step using the correct order of operations.
now we have here 20 plus bracket 3 squared times 8 divide 4 bracket minus 5. So, para mawala ang kanyang bracket, i-bring down lang natin sila. Plus, so, ang order pala natin here is the 3 squared. So, 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Times 8, divide 4, minus 5. So, dahil nakuha natin ang kanilang order, now, let's go with the divide. So, division. So, kailangan natin ibaba ang 20 plus 9x. So, 8 divide 4 is 2. So, bibigyan natin itong 5. Minus 5. So, yan. Dahil nakuha na natin ang kanilang division, multiplication naman tayo. Pero gagawin natin, ibababa pa rin natin to 20. So, 20, ang kanyang operation, addition. Then, 9 times 2 is 18. Minus 5. So, tapos tayo sa multiplication. Now, sa addition na tayo. So, 20 plus 18. It is equal to 38. Then, minus 5. So, tapos tayo sa addition. Now, last is the subtraction. So, 38 minus 5 is equals to 33. So, that's our answer for BODMAS. Now, let's move on for our PEMDAS. So now, dito na tayo sa PEMDAS. So we have 20 plus parenthesis 3 squared times 8 negative 4 parenthesis minus 5. So, katulad lang din sa BODMAS, kailangan natin silang i-bring down. So, yan. So, copy ulit natin ang 20 plus 3 squared is equals to 9 times 8 divided by 4 minus 5. Ano na ba natin ito? So, ayan. So, dito na tayo sa multiplication. So, baba mo nyo ng uli ang 20 plus 9 times 8 is equals to 72 divided by 4 minus 5. So, yan. Nakuha natin ang multiplication. Now, let's move on to division. So, bring down ulit ang 20 plus 72 divided by 4 is equals to 18 minus 5. So, ayan. Nakuha natin ang division. Now, let's go with the addition. Wait lang. Burin ko lang to. So, sa ating 20 plus 18 is equals to 38 minus 5. So, tapos sa add, now subtract na natin. So, 38 minus 5 is equals to 33. So, ito na ang ating sagot sa PEMDAS.
I just had to let you know you're